Recording has been started. My name is Narayan, and we have been running INSEF since 2012. So it's a long drawn program. If you see on our website, there are archives since actually 2010. So earlier there were we were associated with IRIS, and then we actually created INSEF. So basically we run regional fairs. And then the gold medal winners from regional fair go to national fair, and gold medal winners from national fair go to international fair like Genius Olympiad. That is the path for a student overall in terms of INSEF, in case if you are new to INSEF. Now, this time we had a special category as an online category itself, wherein we had special track for online. So we have created a parallel path for online folks because the number of entries were decent enough to do that. So what we have done this time is offline fair is over. Last week I was in Rajkot and the offline fair is over. Now what we are doing is we are doing this online thing. What we did was the 5 days of regional fair online that we called from different places. People joined, and then we will be we have evaluated them. Multiple judges were there. We evaluated the projects. And then from there, gold, silver, bronze will come out of the online thing that you see right now. Okay. So on 26th, we'll be having a valedictory wherein we are going to announce the all the medals and things like that. Okay. So let's actually talk about public viewing. So basically what we are going to talk about is what is public viewing. Some people were asking me questions on that they were confused or whatever there in the website. Though I take full responsibility of all the text in the website if it was confusing, though I thought that I have illustrated in a very simple words, but doesn't look like that. A couple of people called me. Then we'll be talking about online safety. What is your role? And then there is this project like contest, and then valedictory, how it will be conducted. So this is the path for today's discussion. Okay. So public viewing, we know that it's on 26, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. We have posted your meeting details, all the meeting details that you have submitted. We have already posted it. Hopefully you have seen it, the meeting details that you have. And we expect that interested folks will join your meeting and have a chat with you. Okay. Just like in an offline fair, wherein let's say you have a stall, somebody comes and then the person is interested in the particular topic, then the person will have an interaction with you. Similarly, in an online mode, person from any place can join your meeting. It is your meeting. Person will click on that meeting and then join your meeting and have an interaction with you. That's the idea. Okay, that's the idea of public viewing. And I would strongly encourage you to actually tell people around you, around your circles, your relatives, friends, that there is a public viewing. Even your relatives can join, your folks can join your meeting and then have a talk with you what your project is all about. So sometimes they may even not know what you're doing. You're doing some cool things, but they have no idea. So this is a good opportunity to network with people, understand, and it's a great thing that when you talk about your project, it builds a lot of confidence in you. So I've seen that public viewing has got a lot of value. So do not just ignore it. Take it in the right spirit, answer the questions what people are asking. Sometimes you might get new ideas from the questions that people may have. Okay. So people will click on the link and join the meeting, your meeting. Now, who is going to join? I have no idea. Right? Nobody knows who's going to join. Right? Your details are made available publicly so that anyone can join. And I'm going to post a blast on public viewing is there on 26th. I have not done that because people will forget if you do it too early. I'm going to do that on my LinkedIn and Facebook account. I'm going to do that. So the thing is, random people are going to join your meeting. So one thing that I want to understand, you to understand, that there may be some online safety issues that you need to think about, and you need to make sure that you understand these issues. Okay. So we'll be talking about those issues because it's a public meeting and anyone can join from any part of the world. So you need to understand some online safety issues. Okay. So the first thing is do not divulge any personal information, email address, phone number, your address, what locality you're staying to anyone who is joining the meeting. So uh, start with like do not trust the person who is joining, okay? Because we don't know who the person is. Okay. So you want to be very careful in terms of how much information you are divulging, your personal information. So you want to take care of it, right? Turning on video is optional during public viewing. You don't have to if you don't feel like, you don't have to. It's up to you to decide whether you want to turn on the video or not. Okay. Sometimes what happens is we have seen a person joining the meeting may tell you that that person is from XYZ company. Okay. And there's a huge opportunity for this project and can be patented. You can get startup funding and all those things. Okay. Um, do not get swayed away by those things. Tell them that you can contact me. My phone number is there, publicly available. They can contact me. Email address is there. Tell them to contact me. And then I will make sure that if the person is genuine, I'll make sure that whatever it takes to help you, I'll make sure that it happens. Okay. So we don't have any monetization interest in your project. It is your IP, your idea. It's all your stuff, your work. And we want you to achieve greater heights. So anytime such discussion happen, the person may act as if um that the person has a lot of authority and the person can give you funding and things like that. Just tell them to contact me, and then I will, if the person really is genuine, then person will contact me and I'll ask them which project it is. I will contact you saying that, hey, this person is interested. Are you interested? And we'll do that networking thing. Okay. If you directly talk to the person, then there might be a risk that the person may be fake person, right? We don't know, right? And the person may try to so we don't know what kind of people are joining this. Considering if I read newspaper, the third page, right? I don't know how people are losing 28 lakhs, 30 lakhs just like that. Somebody calls them, gives them the OTP, and they meet online and contact and things like that. So there's a lot of fake things happening. So we need to be extremely careful and start with a little mistrust for the person who is on that particular call. Okay. We can talk about the project. There's nothing wrong in talking about the project, but anything that personal information, we should make sure that we don't give our personal information, right? So they'll say, hey, if the person somehow comes to know that you are from Noida or something, they'll say, hey, I'm in sector 5. Where do you live? Like that, the person will start a conversation. So make sure that you don't get swayed away by that. You are careful in terms of online safety. Online safety, you got to be very, very careful. Okay. So as I said, the person may say that he or she lives nearby the area and want to eager to meet you and stuff like that. Do not fall into it. Okay. Do not give your Facebook, Instagram ID. Okay. Or do not give your phone number. Don't give any personal information. Okay? The person may tell you that they are from INSEF. Okay. Nobody from INSEF will ever tell you and contact you. Okay. So moment the person says he or she is from INSEF, just remove that person, because we know, I can guarantee that nobody from INSEF is authorized to say that I am from INSEF. Okay. So just remove that person. Okay. There is no judging happening. The person may say, hey, judging is happening right now. No, judging is all over. This is public viewing. It's an interaction thing. Okay. So you want to make sure that you want to make sure to identify such situation and act smartly and safely. Okay. If any online visitor makes you uncomfortable, you can always remove that person. Okay, it's your meeting. You are in full control. Just remove that person. If the person is something that is making you uncomfortable, you have the full right to remove that person. Okay. So don't worry if they complain to INSEF or anything like that. I'm not going to answer any of those questions. So the person, so make sure that you observe all the online safety things that I've talked about. It might look silly, but this is how the real world things are happening. Just read some newspaper and then you'll realize what all things are happening. So you want to be careful in terms of online safety. Now you're getting bored. You actually started your meeting and you're waiting. Nobody's joining you. Okay. So, and you're getting bored. So one thing that you can do is parallelly, you can see other projects which are there, right? On another device or another tab, if you just have one laptop or something like that, then you can use another tab and then join those meetings which you are interested, and try to understand from the other students what they have worked, what is the work that they have done. There is a lot of good stuff that's happened. You have seen the titles, right? You know what kind of titles, what kind of projects that they have done. So you will also gain information from your peers. Okay, discuss with your peers, join those other meetings, the topics which you are interested in, and then keep your meeting on. Do not kind of close your meeting. Keep your meeting on and then join the other meeting. Let's say if somebody joins here, right, you can just quickly close the conversation and say, I'll just get back in 30 seconds. Please wait. I'm going to come back to you as I'm in other meeting. I'm talking to some other project as well. So try to manage and juggle with multiple things, because that way you don't get bored. If somebody is coming to you, you can actually explain your project. Okay. So you can even use like a multiple device, like a phone or something, and then by laptop is all your project and stuff like that is there, and you can actually do that. So you will not get bored. So this is, you are there and you are doing multiple things. So I don't want you to get bored. Right? Now there is this, in quotes, project like contest. It's not a contest, it's just a this thing. So anyone who, say, a visitor views your project, right? And you feel you are comfortable telling the person that, hey, there is a contest. If you like my project, my booth number is so and so. In that, if you see the list, there is a booth number. Say my booth number is 37. If you like my project, you can actually click on this link and enter my project, whatever you like. So a visitor can enter like 3 booth numbers: top 1, top 2, top 3. Okay. So you can inform the visitor that there is something going on, and you can copy that particular link, wherein we are not taking any information there. Also, we are not trying to capture their email address. Without email address, somebody can log on to that particular link and then give their top 1, top 2, top 3. Okay. So you can actually do that. That way, the person is also excited about it, saying, I like this project. And the person also tries to evaluate in his or own terms and gives top 1, top 2, and top 3. You can even inform your friends, circle, relatives about the public viewing event. That way they also join. They also join, look at other projects, and thereby they can also click on the likes and things like that. So it's a form. It's not a clicking on like a Facebook kind of thing. It's a form where we are saying what is your top 1, what is your top 2, and what is your top 3. That's what we are asking for. We are not taking any personal information from that person, a visitor. Okay. Now top 3 totally out of the this thing, we will like project will be announced in the valedictory event. When the valedictory is there starts, we'll figure out how many top 3 are there. Before that itself, we will figure it out, and then keep that numbers ready, or even we can go at that point in time, because there is very less time closure of public viewing and then start of valedictory. There's very less time. So we will actually live go to the form and then try to get the data and try to figure out who's top 3 like projects. Okay, so that's something that you may want to tell other people and see how it goes. Valedictory is from 5 to 6 p.m. Okay, so at 5 p.m. you want to close your public viewing. If it's not ending, you have to say that, okay, I have to go to the public viewing. Somebody is there. Last 4:55, when you see this thing, you have to say that I have to leave at 5 p.m. I have to go and join public viewing. And again, you can do the same trick as joining from another device while you're finishing your public viewing. Okay, so at 5 p.m., just like this meeting, there will be a Microsoft Teams meeting, and we will be announcing all the winners, the gold, silver, bronze, and honorable mentions award. Those are the categories that we have. Okay. From a path perspective, the gold medal winners will go through another online judging session. And from there, they will go to the top 3, will go to Genius Olympiad. They'll be directly qualified to Genius. So that's the path, online path, offline path. Offline path already done. Top 3 projects in from Rajkot, Gondal, we have already listed out. It's there on the website. The top 3 project has been identified and have been qualified for Genius. Here we will also qualify top 3 from offline as well. So I've given equal importance in terms of qualification for offline and online projects. Okay. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can ask now. If something came up later, you can send an email to info@sciencesociety.in and ask the questions. So I'm open to take any questions anyone may have that I might have missed telling you. So you can unmute yourself, ask your questions, any question that you may have. Somebody's trying to reach me. I'm not going to pick up the call because it's too late anyway. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
Just I wanted to know about the Instagram activity where we are supposed to be posting, but if children are not able to do that, what to do?
Instagram was a trial, social media trial. Now, if you're not able to do, just leave it. Don't do it. If you have an public account, or if you have created another public account wherein you can post into this and then tag INSEF, then you can participate in it. Otherwise, just leave it. If you have the account, you can do it, then do it. Otherwise, just leave it. It's not mandatory, it's optional. But if you have an Instagram account and you want to do something,
some of the children are juniors, so they may not be able to.
Yeah, so it was even seniors. I don't want anyone to mandatorily do anything out of not out of their will. So I want people to do willingly stuff that they can. If they don't want to do it, it's perfectly fine.
Okay.
No problem,
Sir.
actually. Yeah.
Thank you for organizing,
Thanks.
sir.
Thanks. Anyone else? Any question? Anyone else?
Hi, so yeah, I was just actually confused on one thing. So since you mentioned that this online round is a regional fair, how many winners and who all would qualify for the national round? And then since you mentioned that this national round would then, winners from there will be selected for the Genius Olympiad, but where's the national round happening?
So the national round will also happen online. This is a full online track. If you see the announcement that was made during, I think, sometime in December, what we did was we realized that there are too many entries. We can't just handpick few gold and then put it on national. So we have to organize an online to justify your hard work. We have to organize and have an interview for people who have participated, who have submitted your online. You have submitted your work. So we realized your hard work, and then we created this thing as in sometime in December itself. It's afterthought thing. We created this online thing based on the entries that were received. So, and then we created this particular thing, and then we have gold medal. So gold category winners will go to the again, online judging will happen just like what you saw in regional. Similar thing will happen for those gold medal winners, and 3 top gold medal winners from that INSEF National Fair online will be selected for Genius.
Okay, perfect. So basically the gold winners in this regional fair will
Only the
advance.
gold medals. Yes, only the gold medal winners, not all.
Got it. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Yes, Varun.
Sir, on the 26th, which is when the public viewing is happening, if I'm unable to join for like the first 30 minutes, because it's 26th, it's Republic Day, I won't be able to join until 3:30. Is that okay?
That's fine. That's fine. I'm sure you'll somehow make it, and that's fine. 3:30 also is fine.
Yeah, sure. Thank you,
People
sir.
will try to join you and they'll not get, and they'll just move on.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Anything else? Anyone? Last 20 seconds. Anyone who has any question, they can ask me. Otherwise, we are done.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes.
I want to ask for the form that top 1, top 2, and top 3, for the public viewing, they are going to vote, like. So
Yes.
there, what will be the link for that where they have to vote?
Its link is already posted in the website. If you just go in the same place, sciencesociety.in/INSEF, it's already posted. You can just
Okay.
look at it, and if you're not
So
able to
we
find,
have,
let me know.
so for
Just
the
read.
relatives and all, we have to share that link to them and tell them that you can do voting over there, right? Is it?
Correct. Yes.
Okay, sir.
So,
Okay.
so you have to tell them, copy that link and post it in the chat of your private meeting, and then you can actually you can let them know that yeah. So this is the thing. So I just went to this. So basically, it's already there. Um, yeah, here. So this, I would say, I'll copy the link and keep it with me, and then post it to the visitor saying that if you like my project, then you can
Yeah.
actually give me a like that. So it's already there in this. It's updated today only. It's updated, so it's not your. I mean, I think around 4 o'clock I updated it.
Okay, sir.
Sir, good evening,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
So the ones who like the people who are going to fill the form, do they have to link basically rate all top one, top two, top three? They have to mandatory do, or they can just say that this top one, this is the top one. The
They
one
can
to
only
whom we are
only
sending.
the first one is mandatory. Rest one is they don't need to this. Good question. Only the first one is mandatory. Top one is mandatory. Top second one and third one is not mandatory to be filled for submission of the form.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anyone else? Any other question? Yeah. Yeah, Rohan.
Oh yeah, hi sir. So I was just wondering, does this form correlate to like the gold winners, or is it just for like feedback type of thing?
No gold winners. No correlation. Has no
Okay.
value.
Okay.
All judging has been done. Decided.
Oh.
It's
Oh,
just
okay, okay.
there's no value from this. It's just
Okay.
like little bit creating extra this thing enthusiasm for people, and then just to create a little bit of this. No judging value.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, sir.
But
Thank
still
you.
you can do it. Still you can tell your folks to sign up.
Of course, of course. Yeah,
Yeah.
will do. Thank you, sir.
Cool.
Appreciate it.
Thanks. Anyone else? Any question that came to your mind you always wanted to ask but couldn't ask?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, in the sir, in that meeting, can more than one person join in
Yes.
that public viewing?
You have to allow more
Suppose,
than one. It's a good question because you can't explain one-on-one to everyone. So there may be
yes,
three
sir.
people joining in. As you are speaking, you have to keep tab and admit that those people also. You have to manage that little bit. And if you have told a little bit of this, you have to summarize a little bit to the other person and saying, I've already started with this person and this is the summary and continue that. So it's an interesting dynamic that will come and you learn a lot from
Yeah.
that. So multiple people joining, explaining them, answering that question will be an interesting task. So good question. Yes. So allow
Thank you,
them.
sir.
Don't keep them on hold. Allow them even if they are coming in middle, and
Sure.
continue your
Okay.
explanation and tell them that I'll get back to you. Like I'll come to you kind of thing.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay, cool. Anyone else?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I want to say that can we change the setting of Google Meet that anyone can join the meeting without asking us? Or we should give the setting that everyone should ask me, and if I admit them, then they will be able to join my meeting.
You can set the meeting like anyone can join without asking. You can set that meeting because that way it's less headache for you to click on the admit button every time. Like what I have done here. In this thing, you didn't have to wait in the lobby. Now, I don't know the free version of Google allows you to do that, but at least paid version of Microsoft Teams allows you to do that. So if you have a setting that allows you to do that, don't ask, allow anyone, then go ahead and set it up. But I'm not sure whether the free version does that, but I may be wrong.
So the free version allows us to do that, but there will be only one problem that we will not be able to remove the persons from the meeting. They will be able to join again.
I don't think once you remove the person, it will remember that old this thing. Okay, so again, you have found an interesting corner case. I'm hoping we don't have to remove everyone. I'm just warning you that in case something happens, like, don't worry, just remove that person if the person is creating trouble in terms of misbehaving in any odd way. So you will not have this kind of thing. I'm just preparing for the worst case.
So by what time are we supposed to give you the link? Because it ultimately will be posted. The links will be posted online now. So we are supposed to give our link so that you're supposed to you can post them online.
For which one?
So for the Google Meet link for the public viewing.
It's click here for meeting details. All out there.
So it's
All are
no
here.
sir, it's written now. It's written. Okay, sir. Okay.
All your links are here.
Okay, sir. I got confused. Okay, I'm sorry. My bad, sir.
No problem. All the ask anything. There's no bad question. It's okay. I mean, sometimes it may not be clear. That's fine. But all the links are already published. And if I click this thing, then you have this booth number 1234. So you can say, hey, my booth
Yes.
number is say 6. If you like my
Yes,
project,
sir.
you can actually click on this link and give me anything like that. You can do that. So booth number
Yes,
is the
sir.
unique
Yes.
thing. They have to type this 70. You tell your booth number is 70, your booth number is 15, and whatever your booth number is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, cool. Any other question? Anyone? Okay, then we are done. Oh, somebody's no. We are done. Thanks a lot. In case, send me an email if something comes up later on. And all the best. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye.
you,
Sir.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.